Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. When your system is up to date, you can download the GRV binary using the next command. Then assign run permission to the file. And you're ready to use it. For example, use the following command. This way you can quickly use it. The second method to install GRV on your system is to using snap. You need to use the following command. That's it. If you have any question, leave them in comments.